Kebelah pi baro kibapet yakin ko kubor jongi upet ngo cable news. Kimat bakong san jong ko kubor mentah kejan mit kilong. Kejing do no ka bakrau ya kejala Megalia na kejing klatno menteri rangba barim kejala u Dr. Didi Lapang. Pentet u menteri rangba bakajing tuna banyak kam kisamla hakasisnam ka kot hadu hendreu pawnyo hajar san spangun. Bat syajit uli mesan sangma ko deputy speaker. Hakasian ke Baningkong lek Syong Darbar ke kurim Menteri Rangba Kejala. En pelat ba ke Solkar Jala ya ke kaipot jing tokit halor ke MEECL bat menjur ya ke Megalia Excise Amendment Rules arhajar arpusan. Yap usamla na ke jinja aksiden haran rangri. Lap ke pulit ya ke sendrong medyap hajan 6th Battalion pentikna ke bahayeng na ke mobile bat jangpong. Hapo sikenta silak tengka dan kuna kipulet na kinongnya kali bapen kenyan MVA hanong po. Siapen kuburam sipongut kinong patai kubor haka media meet arhajar arpusan. Kajala Megalia haka meet jong kasitok ding kala du'no ya unong yalam barat ba kejala ubala bat sansin ko menteri rangba kejala bat atip ruyau ko mukba jong karibhoi. Uni uriu krau bala klatno udai u Dr. Donwa Ditwelson Lapang na kejing sitom ha kejing no karta jong u.
Menteri Rangba Abrim Kejelau Dr. Didi Lapang ula klatno ha kemiet jongka kadar terik u nailur arhajar arpusan. Hapereng kejing sya asumar ha ke Bethany Hospital Shillong. U Dr. Donwa Ditwelson Lapang ula klatno agarta ke bakandai pulai senam. U Dr. Didi Lapang udah ukun jong udanwa war bad i Elsiban Lapang. Bad ula dan laingut ki para kentai bad arngut ki para shenran. Aswa banjam syaka kamsan pertai u Dr. Lapang udah ublatrai ru komunohi kai skol ulatrai ke kedan LD bad UD ha ke Assam Civil Secretariat bad lopoch ke kedan kum Sub Inspector of Schools. Ha ke senam syajar kendai spa San Pokra u Dr. Lapang oleh Syong Kurim bat ikong Amethyst Linda Bla bat kelayo arngut kikhun. U Dr. Lapang ula rung ha ke kamsan pertai ha ke senam syajar kendai sepanyu kuar bat ula yakun ke election MLA ha ke senam syajar kendai sepanyu kuar kum kertong Klemseng na kenongpok constituency. Bat ula job ke election bat ha ke senam syajar kendai sepanyu kuar. Ula yo olong ha ke sian ke menengkong u Menteri Rangba Kejala. Pada kesau terik leber arhajar arpulai ulah bam semai biang kum Menteri Rangba Kejala. Hadirin kane ulah hiar syukino akakat santrik ujeliau arhajar nreo. Nreo ulah ber kesenam arhajar nyau ulah shinti biang yak syuki Menteri Rangba. Hakisfu terik ulah ber arhajar pra ubak lapang ulah bam semai biang kum Menteri Rangba hadirin bakaseng kongres. Kelalong keseng kebajak bongut ki MLA. Mereka namar kejeng mamyo aji kershan na kiwaipat ki MLA ni kiseng sen pertai. Ulah hiar syukino akakat kendai terik leber arhajar pra. Bad u Dr. Don kuparoy ulah shimtino ke syuki Menteri Rangba Kejala lembah kejeng tawe ke sorkar senrop lang. Nrei hakakat lai terik jemang kani ke sorkar kala klemno bala penjari kejeng sesyar presiden ha Kejala. Hakakat lai terik jemang arhajar kendai u Dr. Didi Lapang udah yok mencimti biang yang syuki Menteri Rangba Kejala haka kat kendai terik uyayong arhajar shipho haka sian kebasan. U Dr. Lapang ulah jab nyusian ke election MLA na ganongpok constituency kata kesenam syajar kendai sepanyu puar, nyopupra, prapulai, prapupra, arhajar lai, arhajar pra ban arhajar kat lai. Ndrai tang hadian ba ulah penyo ke distrik Ribhoi. U Dr. Lapang ulamat ya kejing syarem ke election MLA ha kesenam syajar kendai sepak kendai pulai kabderu kesian ke Benengkong bat kabakando sendon ya kejing im kejung u. U Dr. Lapang ulah jab nengkong kum kertong Klemseng bat hadian ulah penyesok noel dia ba keseng kongres. Ba ulah ne akan keseng lebon posnam ndrehe unai luar jong kesenam arhajar kat pra u Dr. Lapang daga mensiam ke besngokya ulah mi no keseng kongres bat ulah lejban penyesok ba keseng NPP. Walau Dr. Lapang option le kun show election MLA ha kesenam arhajar kat pra na kenongpok constituency. Ulah syapen kamtino kum unong ai buj yak sorkar jelah pok kejingilam Konrad Kongkal Sangma kum Menteri Rangba. Henry ha urisau kesenam arhajar arpusau Dr. Lapang ula no ekakam kum unong ai buj jong sorkar jelah. Walau Dr. Lapang shemle kuncu ek election rai ulayai beteng mencakri ki padba tang jokanong po rai ke distrik Riboy hi brokawai. Bat ki padba ke Riboy ki jukot iet yu Dr. Lapang da umahe. Bat ulayo ru ek jing iet ni ki padba kathan halor ke jingla ajong ban no senyang bat ban kentiu ya kathan Riboy brokawai. Kebala pelong senun ki padba ban khot yu Dr. Lapang kom ukpa jong ke Riboy. Dr. Lapang ulayo ke khusnam paper but ulayo ru ke Doctorate of Divinity na ke Acts Academy of Higher Education under the International Council of Higher Education Bangalore but aka kadwi tarik urampang arajarnyo ulayo ke Doctor of Divinity na ke Serampur College West Bengal. Dr. Lapang ubadairu founder President Jong Riboy Students Union Meghalaya State Basketball Association, Meghalaya Editors and Publishers Association, Affiliated State Olympic Association berundang seng ya ke Riboy College. Haka kamsan berthayu Dr. Lapang ulabat kumu Menteri Sorkar, sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela, nongelam kaliang persya, bat kumu nong aibut ke Sorkar. Dr. Lapang, udah ubre ubat tebet bahaban ajeng keren. Bat ya kaba udah ru ubre ubat syap tiang bahaya ublay, bat ubat sengutanat ban pulut dengan porjung ubat syak di ublay, kumukun Kristan. Haba ke kubor kala sapriang halor kajikla no jong Dr. Didi Lapang Bethany Hospital. Kihan bat kinong ilam na kelang kilatut syakiyang sa jong Dr. Lapang kepada nalacunya bandit sengulem ban ai puram kado yunu nong ilam bakraw kejela. Kilapan paru bagajikla no jong Dr. Lapang kada kejingdo bakraw keri bat benrio. Kamtam habau no senyang ba agbabun kiliang hakim lang salang pada kejelahi baru Korea.
The government can be performing governments and the governance will be to the satisfaction expectation of the people of Meghalaya.
Kajing long joki nagpasniw siya ko kamsniw naman kajing sarong. Kunta paranok parasnam magkakor na pa. Pasniw pagkalong kabuk siya ang ayo ni siyangkat pi akan ika bor kaba isnem yung aklaya siya prang. Dan kali kata kajong nagiwil ka pagkiwat nagiwat kiyoki pagkapulay kata kajong ayay kahaw April kung banuan gandap endai po sansnem kata kamot kalaban dunaro ng ta Nandray ngamin ni kata ang mga talong kaski ilabun laday kaski sangkay.
Ukon jong Dr. Didi Lapang ba badaplak Robert Bla kuliah tu bah kesineng kong kata katsan trek unai luar hak porchpu bejem step ke balang Presbyterian Jayau kan penolong ya kajing eseng hagi yang sa kepada hala cumia. Berhadin kanian sara kemet jong Dr. Didi Lapang syamadan student Hajayau Shillong hagaban penolong ya ke state funeral ne kajing le uburam nak yang ke Sorkar Jela hak porchi bejem sengi. Uba biar bla ulong bahadian ke state funeral hak por ar bejem sengi an IT biang cakabalang Presbyterian Jayau ban chimti ban penolong ya kajing le niam bakat do. Bat bantep dan burami Dr. Didi Lapang hulum jengtep kabalang Presbyterian Jayau kebadan Hajan Wiking.
Tinggal betlang bat kugayeng bat ke yu bat ke nakaliang Sorkar ba ke service ngin sedang cipo boje kerang mengela ban accommodate ke por ba kanum sapai ke por ba kanum te program tenang ni dah kala adap ke service kan take over nak ke state government ke bakin rakyat ke met saduk sya madan student field sa Jayau hang tu kan riak ka kin conduct ke state funeral an tu adu kriya adu aduna hadin ketua aduna kan simti nak biang kabalang Jayau bahkan pendap pedai ki bakaduk ki bari de ben niam pedai adu waking belum jingta keba nengkong kalong mai kai ngi bandai ba suret pat ka bai kai ngi kalong usok jeng job datang jeng tristom but ju sneng ju krawingi but ijong i bestrik ba te mjudan kata ba in ma pingin da ben ai jammi ndre hikai ngi daga jigye bat hikai ngi jengesha bat kaju upor hikai ngi ba ni di banong ki besauret bat kebaar kalong pingin di bandai patre stam bat ban it ba yela ka jong jai dre
Kene sengi keba mangi kinong sok nong jong kejalan Megalia ni kan mau pat ngidam ka mensim keba kia ka duka kata hak jing no ya ka mensim jong former chief minister jong kejala jong ni pa di lapang ka contribution bat kasniang jong iba lapang kasdang hau sieja kendai spa hulai por bi dang sha jet kumway ni menteri jong kejala ha tu por bat nang tu sya khmat ba di lapang ilalong uway u long song snong ubalapang hindi tang ha kejala pinapai khmat sya kasniang gejong iba di mai balaya jantam but Prime Minister Barim Jongkari late Rajiv Gandhi ji nang toy labteng ya kajing sakri jong iya kasing Congress but ilay tre rengkat pat ke Madam Sonia Gandhi nang toy latre sebat Rahul Gandhi iba lapang iladai way uta sembut ba penpau ya kena kejela kejumi ale sipon kita ki first time achievements ki ba iba ilale bagi kaning imla dan nasungu ya lajan dap kendai po news nem kerta kapura kejumi bat hadu Islam ki badang menhakini ru kajingdon jong kum uta unong sandur jong ka san perthei iklem ilo bat hakani kasngi ni ai kublai shisha yi ya kijing sengyang kijung kat ni ya kejelang juni bat ni kermen ba ublay unda di sumari iba yalam ni sya kata keperthai sya kawai bat keperthai paradise kaba iba masu ilong very deserving banyo banlet ngin yai duai na kabenta ka jinjak thai jong komisin ko jong bat ka sarkar kala dep mang ya kata ka state morning bat hakini kilais ni kibanwan kejela kan burom ya umi orang ba ublasen yang kat ni ya ke nang kasalang ipa ikajing skolem kerwo ka pakapang sa ikong sa kikon jong iba balok kiksiyo ba ngingen ba kat im ka kerteng kat sa kana dai sok ba lapang kayeng kasem jong ahi simetu di ai burom ya kajingla jong ban kan pham ya kayeng kasem jong ya ka political career jong kayeng kasem jong jing don lang lukat jong ba ita ma panyang ba Robert Khaled Lindo ki ba bang kwai do rubi bat phim sim no ban betin di wat yang aru kadi kawai na ki bakam kana andre iba lapang ilong riu ubla senyang bahaya kayang kesem kejungi dan nakaliang kayang kesem kejungi do ipen pau kita kejing sebulan kejing du no ya kayang mensim berkontrol jungi kalau don koi ke gap ta nomor ni mudur baik baik iba pang ilong invincible kemut umla ban klep bat ngangek bang kekenteng kejungi ni nyai pertu akibat yang kibat
Mereka mengi do yung nong yalam. Itu states ni marwati lang dan nelo bos dang states mak thai contribution jong i dai tang kum minister kum chief minister mak kum jo na thai hakini ki later part of his life aban dia kumi membuat iwan hangi ke parti jongi telong ke jingkerku hamtam yok chin minister jongi budang stang yo ke jing ai jing mut kini tai ke tai ke di lat jongi ke di do
kan mau menok pi kenduk kong apa
malapang tilai kenduk iman ke por do mengalong students lo ya kenduk hi nang ta ke por hi long minister kini ke tai ke man ke por beliau kolong kawai ke maksud nak kolong kejuk ke jing ke politics kejuk ke jing mut ni don you don't know sure no enemies only opponent iru long kunta pediang mulut ke boro ta kawai ke boro
contributed to the state as a whole, and it's a great loss for us, a loss that is almost irreparable. I had met Sir about 10 days back. I had come to his residence here, and at that time he recognized me. I communicated with him for a few seconds. Then I got the news yesterday that he was admitted in the hospital in Bethany, and I visited him at about 9 o'clock in the evening. And though I'm not sure, I think he was not able to recognize me at that point in time, but I got to see him at that moment. And after that, I got the news about an hour and a half later that he passed away. As a state government, we have declared 3 days of mourning, which is what we normally do for former chief ministers. I had some programs today in Sora, which were of course more on private nature, was not government programs. But I've cancelled all those programs today in respect of our great leader, Dr. Lapang, late Dr. Lapang. And the same time, there will be a state funeral, which will be held on Monday, approximately at about 1 o'clock. And 10 o'clock is the prayer meeting here. So the next 3 days, as I said, the mourning will be continuing, and all celebrations or any kind of official programs, large programs, have all been cancelled by the government. Sir Lapang, of course, has been a very tall figure, a person who we have all looked up to, and his relationship with my late father is something that is very, very special to me. I remember seeing him and sitting with him even in 1988, when I was a very young boy of 10 years old, when my late father was chief minister here in Meghalaya. And that was the time I first came in touch and I met, I should say, I was not a person at that level where I would have the honor of speaking to him at that age, but I met Sir Lapang and I saw him, and I have memories of him from that time onwards, from 1988. And throughout his political career, he has done so much for our state, so much for his people. And as I said, for me also, I've learned so much in his entire career. I've been watching all the different works that he has done, and it has been a great inspiration to me. Even up to his last breath, Sir was very, very, I should say, his presence of mind, his knowledge, and his overall reaction was something which was very amazing. Because I remember when I came to the house 10 days back here to meet him, he recognized, as I said, and he communicated with me, he connected with me. So I was very, very amazed to see that kind of strength and that kind of alertness that he had. So even to the last moment, he was engaging with me and communicating with me. He mentioned few things which I don't think I need to mention those with personal nature, but it's a great loss, even for not just from the state point of view, but from my personal point of view also. It's a great loss, and I express my deepest condolences to the family members, and I pray to Almighty that He may give strength to all the family members and all His followers and all His leaders to bear this great loss that we all have had.
Ka dorbar sunrai jong ki yang dorbar thawan ke jela ka bala sedang hakala sing ublai jong kata yo kala kutno hak sing thoding hakaba ki nong mi khmat kala tai sani halor ki mat ki bakong san bat hak sing kut uli misan sangma ula job suk ya ki election deputy speaker ne sembut lampang klem dadan manu ki banyak kun persya ya u
Ulampang yang dorbar tauan ke jelau Thomas Sangma ula pentip ba Timothy Dishira ula eno ekakam kumu deputy speaker ke yang dorbar tauan ke jelau. Berkumta la penbet ban penlong yak election budget deputy speaker batamai haka khat tarik metau nailur. Kabade kesngi bakat do jong dorbar senrai. Ulampang ulaong baya kene city eno akam deputy speaker la yo apriang haka step jong khat tarik nailur. Kabade ru kesngi kabadengkong jong dorbar senrai. Berkumta ula lum kerki ke jingelang jong ke business advisory committee ban shimekarai ban penlong yak election budget deputy speaker. Ulampang ulaong bau Timothy Dishira shimla penpau yaki daw ke bala penlong yu ban eno ya kam deputy speaker. Nagaliang MLA ka NPP na Resubel Para constituency Timothy Dishira uleto ba ula shimekarai ban eno kam ya kam deputy speaker kadai na kajing tha jigenong yalam kaseng NPP hakabau liyo opdiang ya ka phone call no menteri rangba ke jela Konrad Kongkal Sangma hakabula bethayu ban eno kam badum shimlabu jikli kene karai badul ke jing start jung menteri rangba lawan pensyong yu hakanong no kecakaru Timothy Dishira ulong ba udan ke jing shania ke bapura ho menteri rangba bad umla banong namar bu de menteri rangba uba sngojan badu sngohone kene karai ke bula shim.
I don't have any further comment. That's all.
So why the decision suddenly?
Suddenly decision is up to our party high command.
So is there a push for other MLAs to, take over?
That also I don't know. Only last night I received a call from CM. Then he said, you better resign tomorrow. So I resigned.
Hagasngi bakot jong dorbar senrai ki yang dorbar tauan ke jela ulampang yang dorbar tauan Thomas Sangma ula penmena bau limisan di Sangma ula job ki election deputy speaker haba shimladan manu ki betap kerteng menekon persyayu hagani ke jing yajit ya deputy speaker hadin ulampang ula penmena bau limisan ula syajit kumu deputy speaker betamai nagaliang menteri rangba ke jela Konrad Kongkal Sangma berunang ilam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul M Sangma Lalit ban senran yu limisan ban syong hagashuki deputy speaker. Ki MLA kelapan pau gejeng sokmen halor gejeng job limisan klam kano gejeng persya na jing khun bat ki lakit bok yu bon la ban shimti kena kam gam ban chat thma yu ban yarap yu lampang hag ban peniat yak yang dorbar tauan. Ulimisan ulai kublai ki MLA kaliang sensyar bat liang persya halor gejeng ajing shania yu ban chakri kumu deputy speaker klam kano gejeng khun bat ulong bakalong kaburam kabakrau. Hagasngi kebaar jong ke dorbar senrai ka yang dorbar tauan ke jela. Menteri rangba Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula pentip ba ka meglaya kelamat ke jeng duna hagajing okam kisamla ke belakot ndere punyo hajar sanspa shisnam hakitanat sorkar. Ba ka sorkar kelapan kre ka plan benle halor kene ke jeng Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula ong ba ka shisnam ke banyo hajar ngot kisamla kede ki balak ban rongkam ndere kitanat sorkari kilaban aikam tangkom ba ar hajar hado ar hajar sanspa ngot hakashisnam. Bat kajing duna kakot hadu hendru punya wajar sans pak teliki kam hakitanat sorkar. Kumta ke sorkar kelapan krep benar-benar plan ke bapura banirap gisamla kibadai bani okam. Ulang baka career counseling program kade shibenta jongan ke plan ban betul lenti bat kersyan gisamla ki arpsan jat kikam bakentup kikam yadari kam bank engineering bat bon kiwe bat gejing temu kalong ban penla ik samla bagin chem kabu hakalat yo kam la kadai kam sarkar ni kam shime na kaliang unong ilam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul M Sangma ulero senjam belashim dak sarkar bat ula banjor gejing dan kam ban yadan bentalang haba pen kre kinu ki kam bakerpang kam tam ki kam yadari bat kam shipai Menteri Rangba ulia thuru bag sarkar jela kalum thop ikilat yo kam yo jam hakiliang baper komisi benta jong the vision 2030
to the House and to the citizens at large that we do roughly, on a rough estimate, depending on the particular year, about an average of about 70,000 people are being eligible to join the workforce every year. 70,000. And this is year on year, sir. And therefore, when you look at the kind of government jobs that are available, roughly, right now, sir, we are doing a recruitment of close to about 7,000 vacancies, which have been there for the last 20 years. All of that is being covered, and about 7,000 vacancies are being recruitment processes going on in one board or the other. But on an average, sir, on an annual basis, again depending on the retirements that take place, not more than 2,000 posts. So maybe even if you include all the other casual posts, maybe not more than 2,500 posts will be available at the government level for our youngsters. So it's quite limited compared to a workforce of 70,000 plus people who will be joining or eligible to join the workforce every year. So there is a deficit of about 67,500 jobs for us, and that is really the challenge that we face.
Usumbut Menteri Rangba Kejelah Bakamiru Ektanat District Council Affairs uba Preston Tunsong. Ula pensyai ke yang dorbar tauan Kejelah bagi sarkar kamdan setia kanu kejingmut ban kentur ne penkenyi kibor jangkilai teliki Autonomous District Council yang baga jeng terwai ke song jengerap ne ke bailout package bagian lak ban siu tulap ginong tray. Ula ong bagarai jeng ke sarkar ban tahu ke komiti bakilai teliki subkomiti kade de gejing temu ban penti kenai ke jeng dan kaplat tengka ke basengan bat ban wan rai ke jeng penkelai ke kom tray kam haki Autonomous District Council. Ubak Preston Tunsong ula keren ikani habajubab ya kamat ya tai belengkot ke belawan ra dau MLA ka VPP na nongkrem ubak Arden Miller Basayomoy. Usumbut Menteri Rangba ulaong baki kendon terekam jeki komiti ki kentop ikajing ya keren baki Autonomous District Council ban pan ikajing menjur jongki bat ban ya keren ikajing penkela kum kamat terekam hakabede bakajing tungkam kamat terekam kabede bat ka tiar tar kijing syakri ginong tre bat kiwe-kiwe. Baraki kendon terekam jekini ki komiti ki pausai bakam dan setia kanu kejingmut berik pembalapan paudu MLA kanong krem. Bagini kejinglek kalong bani opniat ya berok ki Autonomous District Council. Bad ubak Preston Tunsong luong ba kani kamlong ke basisha. Shosho uloong ba kani kade ke sarkar ke banut ban penbenan ne terwa ya kani ke song ban wengi kejing ki Autonomous District Council. Bad 4 judan ki sarkar ki balik kani haduk mentah. Ulaong syuk bagadai tangga ke sarkar ke basim khia bah halor kania wak laki dan ke jingdu napisa ndrai ya bapet ke jinglong jingman kinong trei ke Autonomous District Council ke sarkar ke haban bisyakmat banyarap ndrai kamut pat bakin thomno ke bor jing ke Autonomous District Council hakabede bi jing ke balamat daki MDC ni ki constituency hajakasor ubak Preston Tunsong ulapan pa bag sarkar kala syemekarai bani selok bat ki MDC halor ki skim bela terwah po ke Finance Commission ka bakatsan.
To see the sudden change of heart in the leadership of the MDA government. When the government announced that it will begin to pay the salaries of the ADC's employees from November 2025. So, for the benefit of this August House, I would like to remind that the Deputy Chief Minister of the state had on the 22nd December 2020 stated that the state government is not duty bound to bail district councils out of their financial mess as they come under the purview of the 6th schedule. He further stated that ADCs have their own sources of revenue. He also informed that the state government is only looking for ways and means to clear the outstanding share of taxes to the ADCs. This stand has been reiterated by the Honorable Chief Minister on the 7th August 2025, when he said that it is not the duty of the government to pay salaries for the employees of the ADCs. So now everyone is caught by surprise to see the announcement of the state government to take over the payment of salary of the employees of the ADCs. It has triggered a serious debate and discussion among the people. The people are anxious to know what is the motive behind this move.
There is no hidden agenda at all, as did mention by the Honorable MLA from Nongkrem, who says that it seems the present government trying to maybe to encroach or maybe to have some kind of indirect control from the government to all the district council. That is not true at all. So let me tell you one thing. I personally feel this is the government, in fact, who dare to declare, to offer such bailing out packages under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister. No other government did so far. This is the only government who did take a very, very serious note on this, in spite of the fact that we have, of course, financial constraints are there. But looking at the state of affairs of the employees of the district council, so ultimately the government has to step in. When we step in, it doesn't mean that we take over the power of the district council. Stepping in means, let us go and discuss.
Ki MLA ke liang sensyar bat liang percaya ke liang bentah hak menyatai hak special motion kebalawan radu MLA ke VPP na Nongkrem uba adan mela basayomaj baru MLA ke North Shillong uba adel bat nongrum. Halo kejing ma jong kejing kiu kinong di drugs bat kibriu ke badan ya uknya kejing pang HIV hak jela. Ya MLA ke lepen pau kejing sokya halo keni kejing kiu kensan jong kejing pendan kam drugs kisamla ke jela. Baiklah dawana ke sorkar bagadi bencim kia bentek lah kami drugs. Haba juba balor kini ke special motion Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare uba polling do. Ula pentip batang hapo shpausngi ki pulet kli okurup ki jingdi ke basniu ke basyong dor haruk sau klur tengka nari lum jantia. Bat si klur tengka na Shillong bagi sorkar klai kon teng ban rat dengkong ya ke jingdrai drugs hakani ke jela. Uba polling do ulong bahadian arpsan senam bala menjur ya ke PIT NDPS hak yang dorbar parlimen hak senam syajar kenais pak prapupra. Ke sorkar Meghalaya kelapan kelat mai ki kendon jokaan bat ban pentrekam ha Meghalaya. Bat ula pentibru bagi sorkar kelat hau yaki khat artli ki anti narcotics task force ANTF police station. Hapo kejing kemi jong ki superintendent ki pulet ban tokit ki jingja jong ki NDPS bat PIT NDPS. Uli tu bahagi ni kisan senem keladon nerius pak laitli ki jingja ke bedai bat ki NDPS ki beladak register. Baiklah don Syahjar hendrup kendai ngut ke belah Syakem bat buan ba ujing di penbuat boleh yok bon kurup bat ula banjor ke jengkongsan ban ai jaka sumar haki rehabilitation center bat ke jeng pesutu pat ba hak bani ko ni ke jeng genrai na ke jeng di ke basniu bat ule tu bagilah don kat artli ki rehabilitation center ke beladan dupa hapo ke jela kentup ekowai ki integrated rehabilitation center na ke bentah ke balangop ke badan hamau diang-diang kebelah kerjaan ru dan ketenat social justice but empowerment.
So that this very subject, it will not be just a mere thinking, talking and bringing about development in the state if at the same time our society, especially our youth, is being destroyed and consumed by numerous forms of evils, the most dangerous of which is drugs. What future does our state have if our youth are already lost?
So, government has always maintained that militancy is a factor which was detrimental towards the growth and the development of the state. Militancy was viewed as a dangerous activism that can harm the state and the country as a whole. In a simple term, militancy was attributed as the main cause of creating serious law and order situation in the state and the main reason of misguiding the youth of the state from the mainstream to stand against the nation. It was therefore concluded that militancy ruined the lives of the people and brought misery to the society. Hence, the government was not taking any chance at all to go soft and dealt casually with militancy right from the beginning, sir. The state government decided that militancy should be crushed with an iron fist and determined to fight against militancy on a war footing, which has resulted in the neutralization of militancy in the state. And as a people of the state, we had witnessed the absence of serious militant activities. So, likewise, narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances are believed to be very dangerous and destructive. It has a direct bearing on human lives, the society, and the state. It brought miseries not only to the user, but to the entire family that has to undergo tremendous pressure of untold sufferings.
Today, as we speak, there are 5 repeated offenders who are serving detention under jails in the state of Meghalaya. I'd like to make a pointed reference to the act that the LO has referred to, the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, and to specifically point out that such a provision is also contained in PIT's NDPS, Prevention of Illicit Traffic in Narcotics and Psychotropic Substances Act, which facilitates for the attachment of the property of the detainee, the property of the next of kin, the immediate family of the accused person, and the freezing of bank account of not just the arrested person, but also his or her immediate family. As we speak, there are already 5 such detentions that have taken place, and more are being pursued, because in order for the arms of the law to finally be able to ensure their detention, we also need the approval of a board headed by a retired judge. I would, however, implore that engaging on the floor of this House should not be the only platform. Time and again, we will need them to come up with the valuable inputs, information, and also, this is not us versus them. This is the state of Meghalaya, the people of Meghalaya, fighting in unison against a menace that threatens to make us victims. But the choice is ours. I would implore that rather than succumbing to the temptation of admitting defeat, let us be victors and never, never victims. Thank you.
Kakurim jo Menteri Rang Ba Kejala ka Dr. Mehtab Chandi Sangma hakala singublay jong kata yau kalalet yo kejat hakasin ka Badengkong kum ka MLA ba mi khmat thamai ya ka Gambegre constituency hadin ka jingjob ya ki election shiteng samoi.
Ka MLA ka Brang Sushajit Thamai ban mi khmat ka Gambegre constituency ka Dr. Mehtab Chandi Sangma ka badiru ka kurim jong Menteri Rang Ba Kejala Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Haka pratarek unailur arajar arpusan kalale isim bentah kasin kebeningkong yang darbar tauan kepada iru kesngis sedang joko darbar senrai. Habai keren bagi patai kubor ke Dr. Mehtab kalong bagi ke kabu berkuburam ban mikmat ke constituency. Bat kum kadekot ke bethamai joko yang darbar kendang pulih ke rukom peniat berkom terekam joko yang darbar kenang bakan lak banisim bentah syethem hak yang darbar. Kalapan pauru bagajeng mikmat kikentai hak kamsan pertai keduna bah. Pat ka kermen scam bagajeng don jongka hak yang darbar kan nong rukajeng aimen siem ya kiwai pat kikentai bandrong syaka kamsan pertai. Ban chupen kan mau ka Dr. Mehtab kala syajit kum ke MLA hak election shteng samoi na Gambegre kebelalong hung nai wieng ke senam arajar arpusau. Hadian bau MLA berem usaleng sangma ule eno agakam MLA hadian mula job ya ke election MP syaka Lok Sabha Nagatura seat.
Feel about this first time attending the session?
Yeah, I feel good. I think it's a privilege and an honor to be representing my constituency and be here today. Well, we have seen that women representation in politics has been always very less. Yeah, and I feel very honored here today, being a woman and being in this house, in this August house. And I hope that with my presence here, more and more women will be encouraged to join politics. Well, this time I think I have a lot to learn, still see the proceedings and how the house runs. So I think I will be observing and maybe next time for sure.
Kakan hon menteri kebalai kendu hakas ni palai jong kata yo kalarai ban pen penapat ba ya ka kaipot jong ke inquiry committee halor ka rukom trekam jong ke MEECL bat kala menjur ya ka Meghalaya excise amendment rules arhajar arpausan ban wanra ke jingkala hakajing yo lum khajana.
Habai keren bikinong patai kubor hadin melawai ke jingilang jong ka kanun menteri. Menteri Rang Ba Kejala Konrad Kongkal Sangma uluong bagi Sarkar Jela kalarai ban pelat pat ba ka kaipot jong ke Independent Inquiry Committee ke belatung mentokit ikijing keno hakabedai bagi jing sektiar ke aggregate technical and commercial losses bat ka rukom tungkam ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited lembat kilai teli kisnat jongka. Uluong bagi Sarkar kala betha ka terat penmi boarding ban pentikena ban penteri kambhok ikijing ajing mut ka kenhun tokit Independent Inquiry Committee. Bala betha aru baya kene ka kaipot devan pelat pat ba basyan kene ka kaipot dan sepelat ka website kenang bai pat ba kene ban kemi bat bishar ya ka.
The second decision of the cabinet today was the proposal for consideration of the recommendation of Independent Inquiry Committee report to inquire into allegations and to record findings and make recommendations concerning the procurement, AT&C losses and human resource management of MECL and its 3 subsidiary companies. You are aware that this independent inquiry was set up, and after the department and other departments and the MECL and others having gone through all the aspects of this inquiry, it was presented to the cabinet today, and the cabinet has accepted this report. And after accepting this report, it has given instructions to the power department to ensure that all steps are taken to implement the different suggestions that have been made by this inquiry committee and also to make this inquiry committee report public. So we'll be putting it on the website in the next couple of days so that it is made public for the people in general and anybody can access this report.
Ka Sarkar Jela kala menjur ya ke Meghalaya Excise Amendment Rules arhajar arpusan bala kami lenti balang ba kene kejin penkalai ke an jong tanat excise. Ka Sarkar ka kermen ban permi khajana syo sa kendai poklot tengka bat an sepen kelano e ka rule sau pusau khatar rule laipunyo ar iwb rule nyupuai e rule arspa nyupulai bat rule arspa nyupusau. Ukonrat Kongkal Sangma uloong bagi jing penkala ki kentup e kejing penkala kerdan biang i gejat jing di IMFL kajing penrung kerdan i gejat jing di ibadi pat ba kajing penkelai ke khajna ya ki bia bat kajing penkelai katokan ni kendon berulong baik izat kiat IMFL ne Indian Made Foreign Liquor on penkelai kerdan biang ban petikenai kedor ke bakam biang.
The reclassification of category of IMFL brands, introduction of general brand category, revision of ad valorem on beer, amendment of Rule 4412, amendment of Rule 372(1)B, insertion of new Rule 71A, amendment of Rule 273, Rule 274, and introduction of Rule 41A of the Meghalaya Excise Amendment Rule 2025. Basically, these are all being done to restructure the rates and the prices in such a manner that we are able to be competitive in the market compared to different neighboring states. So this is a step towards ensuring that our pricing is competitive, and we expect that with that we will have increase in consumption, which we expect will also lead to increase in revenue. Our expected revenue increase because of these amendments that we're making is estimated to be 90 crores.
Ka kanhuan menteri kala ay kajing menjer ya ka financial closure lani ban kutno ya ka scheme Saubhagya bat Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gram Jyoti Yojana. Hadian ba la pensyang nongrem ka kaipot bala IT daga Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited rengkat kajing betha ban ai persya ki contractor ki baklan pendap ka kam ka bakot san peso lak tengka ka barang sateng hadu mentah. Menteri Rangba ulah pentip bakat baik kaipot jangka financial closure la IT syaka Rural Electrification Corporation bat cikitanat jangka sarkar pedang laisna mensyua la benchat hak MEPDCL ban penlong ya kajing pensisha ka bakamnya namar kajing ujor halor ki kam ke barang sateng bat ka MEPDCL kelalap bana kajing tray ke bakandai pun reu kelur tengka mereka kam ke barang sa klem padap ke kot ya kesan pesaulak tengka. Kekanun Menteri Kelarai Baomdai ban ai ya keninga pisa namar gajing pendap gajing tray ka belakta ya kumbalai pau hadok sau pau teligi shnong.
That after multiple verifications, they have found that 54 lakhs of work has not been completed out of the 96 crores. Out of that, the rest has been completed. So about 30 to 40 villages are there. I don't have the names of the villages. So based on that, we have accepted that financial closure report from the MEPDCL and asked or given the permission today to MEPDCL to go ahead with the financial closure based on this report that about 54 lakhs of work was not complete, which means that the payment for those 54 lakhs will not be done, and the rest of the work where the work has been completed, verification has been done, necessary payments be released. The contractors will be, of course, taken to task. So wherever in the sense that the payments will not be made on that. So as I said, once we do it, we have not, today the report has come, so we will now examine on how to move forward. But as I said that we have decided that we will not make payments for those particular villages.
Kekanhuan Menteri Kelarai Bantong Yo Chief Secretary Gejelau ba DP Walang kumu chairperson jangka Meghalaya State Food Commission hadin bulu song thatno nakakam hagalai po terik mentau nai lur. Menteri Rangba Gejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ule thu be ke kerteng jong ba DP Walang la terwa de ke komiti la thau ke sarkar banwa de dikot jangka commission kumta ke sarkar lor ke kerteng jong ba DP Walang la menjuru ke kerteng jong Dr. Mishwa Tengkan ule officer bala song that banlong udkhot jangka Meghalaya State Food Commission.
Hashwa bangin kmi iku kubor ke badangsa ina pajwa shipor shakene ki chimpan pana.
started operations on the Northeast store back in 2016. Back then, we didn't have any funding. It was just a clear idea, determination, and the willingness to figure things out. Today, we've built something solid with a very good customer base, a strong team, and we are growing year over year.
We have been running Eurotech Private Limited for 6+ years. And last year we have crossed 18 lakhs plus in revenue. It has been a steady growth, not just in sales, but how we have expanded, reached new markets, and built a stronger customer base. Every year we have grown, and now we are ready to scale up even further.
Our vision has always been to go beyond just local reach. We've built the foundation, now it's about scaling up, expanding into the new market, improving capacity, and also strengthening our brand. We want to create more jobs, adopt better technology, and also build something from Meghalaya that stands out anywhere.
When you've built the basic, the next step is about scaling with the right exposure and backing. It's not just a competition, but it's a platform for businesses like ours to reach to a wider audience and also to connect with people who can help us grow and really unlock the next level.
The Megapreneur Startup Challenge is a statewide search to find the top 5 startups that will represent Meghalaya at the Grand Pitching segment of the Megapreneur Expo 2025. It's a unique challenge for startups to showcase what they've built, get real visibility, connect with investors, and take their business to the next level.
If you want to participate in this statewide search, here is what you will need. You need to be a resident of Meghalaya. You should be an adult Indian citizen. Your business should be registered as a private limited company or about to register. Your business should have a turnover of at least 35 lakhs or have a strong growth potential. You should have a working product or service. You should have a year-on-year growth. You should be focused on job creation. You should have a solid team, innovation in your product or service or model, and your business should be ready to adapt or already using technology. Pure trading businesses or family extensions will not qualify. This is for original founder-led businesses and startups only.
From across Meghalaya, 25 startups will be shortlisted to pitch in the next round, and 5 will get a chance to represent the state at the Megapreneur Expo 2025.
We have built through struggle. Now let's build with support. Let's build Meghalaya.
I had an idea, a small one, but I didn't know where to begin. The product was ready, but something was missing. I needed some assistance, but didn't know who to turn to. Then I found the Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge. Launched in 2019 by the Government of Meghalaya, CMECC is more than just a competition. It's a launchpad for Meghalaya's most promising entrepreneurs. Each year, 150 entrepreneurs are chosen to pitch their ideas. Only 75 are selected to enter a 9-month journey of growth and transformation. In the Prime Incubation Program, they gain mentorship, national visibility and access to funding, business tools, boot camps, co-working spaces and market access. To support their entrepreneurial journey, the program also provides financial assistance through business grants that help entrepreneurs grow and scale their ventures. The top 35 startups receive Rs 2 lakh and the remaining 40 startups receive Rs 1 lakh in funding. With free co-working spaces, startup tools, branding support and legal services, CMECC helps you focus on what matters most: building.
Prime helped us believe in our ideas.
Only Bees made it click.
CMECC has incubated many entrepreneurs from all 12 districts, creating thousands of jobs and impacting lives. You have the idea, we have the support.
I'm thankful to Prime for the opportunity to receive help and mentorship. So join Prime today for a better tomorrow.
Haba pai biang shaki kubor, uwe usamla ula klat hashen, nakajingja accident kabalaja hak surok ba harendang brio mau yong rim, hak sepale jong katayong, hakaba uwe pat, ubala shonglang hak tuktung ulaman saujur.
Kat kum go kubor kabali alum ni kipulet li atho baki pulet li ajin tip sapang kani gijingja accident hak kubor sau buji jan miet hakaba kawi ka bike pulsar kabadan new number ML not san vi henreu san pranot kladan apeng surok bar unongnya al suktia leng ketar hasurok na gajing saujur ka benta jong ka clear kipulet ak jing toket kila sham bagani ka tok kalalet tenra na dia ne ko ka tata sumo kabadan new number ML shiposi khandai henreu ari be kat bagarang yat men chaktan yam kum tala penkit no inongnya tok civil hospital Shillong nak ambulans 108 EMRI henry andala poya hospital ki doktor kila penbena baulad ban klat halenti shon poya hospital ki pulit kila pente bunu samla ula shong marwe ka tok bat kat kum ga driving license kabalalap no ne ubala klat no la itu yu komu dineston warjri life sans nem karta ubashong basa penthorba Shillong
Hakisni hat majai jong katayo ki pulit jong ko umsning police station kilayok bantam ya kawai ka shinrong jong brio na kawai ka klaw ka badon hajan ka 6th battalion ha umran nyang bernai Haribhoi district ya ka bala subajur bakadai ka met jong we urang ba ubala ja mentala lai banai tam
hadin lai banai tam ye bala ja ngai ha gajan miet jong ka kandai trek nai luar arajar arpusan hakapor RBJA kibor pulet kathanat umsning gele bantam ko vacation rong jong breu blati alengtar hakawi ka klaw hajan ka 6th battalion ha umran nyang bernai ha ka district Haribhoi laban kro bagi pulet kathanat umsning gele yo ka jing ujor halor ka jing jar ngai jong we urang ba breu blati kerteng ko Carlos Tron ubana ka Umar ha ka jirang constituency ubala jar ngai ha ka khatwi trek ujeliu kat bodang wan pai bagi bahayang na Shillong ha ka we ka jaka ha umran dairi Leo jing tibru banaduk kini kesengi bunu orang ba ula jar ngai kladan kejing wat pat ba ya ha kini kejaka labun posien ndrai amshim lalap satya ya uni orang ba badai ha ka kendai trek nai luar bagi pudet leo jing tib alok jing lap ki pat ba ya kesin rong met yap jong orang ba abriau ha ko kejaka marmar ki pulet ka tanat sning kila hiar shikene kejaka badai tamno ya kesin rong rengkat bagi bor badi kemi Bat hadian bala pentip si bayang bahasa manwan jengok bat ban ni tho lau den em u belajar ngai mentalalai benai. Hadian bala wan mi digi bahayang ha ka ba ala ban itu ono dak jinglap ek mobile phone bat gijan phong jung ni orang ba bat hadian bala pendep gijing toket baro la IT no ya kini sendrong syaki bahayang.
Ubala penio habede berkene ka jinja jongpur jungi bajak tron ba ngilayo ngalap ya kamet ke jungu hang te hapo ka klau jong ka tik batolen kemudian hapo hang hapo ren yang bernai tingi skem ba diga plan ka di penyak jong play wana jrong tingi chenya ba tingi sno wana aingu yu neng ba kene ka si ke ba ni wan hang ne po police station umsning ba nakaliang jong tu police kila pentip sangi di bahaying ba kila yo bentam ya kamet ka bala klat hang te hapo klau bat habede ba kene ka bentang so ba nadu ke basdang ke ba laja yang new pur jungi sya barok ki paradok parasnam ki paradong parathan jong ka ne ka thamati bhoi ka jungi te kumta ha kene ka por habede ba kene ka benta ka bangi layo bediang ya kene ka met ka jungi so bha pentip lang tam ya ki ba hai hasem ki kur ki jaj ki jungi ba menta nadu menin ka kena tarik nyalayo ban bediang ya kene bentam ya kene ka met ka jungu ban menta ka sing nyala wan sim lang ba kene ka police station musling bang ya cimti ya kamet ka jungu bat hawaide ka jing yap ka jungu ye kamet jungu kam long kam itu dur so ndai ka don stang sing ndai ka ba ka sabut ka bang tip badiu pur jungi dei lang ba ka mawai bat ka sim card ka jungu ngila test bat hawaide bat ka jing wat jing tip ka ba nakaliang ka polis something ba kilek tam yo ne bru bang ban penisya ba udai bajak tron leng bakan ke mobile te kilawan nakaliang ki forensik nang ta ki doktor kila pek kila samben yu la hang tang la yo ya ka proof dan nakaliang jungi bahaying so ban habede wani ga jing yo tam ka jungi ni nam kwa shu ban ya chano chano ki banta namar bang su chai bade ka jing khat yu ga de ka jing yap ka ba kakum ka jing mudur ka ba lab ki doktor ki ba pek bat nakaliang ka tranat forensik ba ka de ka jing yap ka ba let's say wow yap ha kajing yo pang lane kajing ngan ka jungu de kata ka benta kamdon kono ka ba i ka sanpat nakaliang ki polis nang ta bahing jung kum ki jung ki bahing kajing yap ba dang kamdon da kono ka bangi tharai sneu subas sneu da ka ba sha dusmon itu de deng yang ba ka de ka kajing yap khan kata ka de ka ba ni yo ya ka sebut ka ba biang yang ba ka ni kajing khat ka jungu
Kecing pen ken an da kinong nya eki kali hakari bhoi kala jorbha kabala penlong sendan yeki pulet banyo lum silak tengka hapo jong kasikenta kum kecing dan kuna halor kecing nya yeki kali klem ki kot kisla bat kecing bombot renti yaki kendon an
Ki bor pulet ke distrik Ribhoi lengba ka nongpo traffic branch Leshim kesenjam man IG kaya ke bedai ba ke jingdon kam ban biang ya ki kot kisla kali habaya ek surok ba komjoro ban buram ki kendon an ha ga batang poch kentai ki pulet ke leyo ban ban kuna hado silak tengkatam na kitu ke banyak kali krem ki kot kisla bat ki bapen ken ki kendon an ha ga jing talasi ki kali na do ki kali shimet ki kali kamai ki kali laishaka la penlong halat sericulture Haka bala sakilang ru do additional superintendent ki pulet bakmi ya kesnat traffic uba Orville Masar UOC ketenat traffic urubul ali bat ki officer Nagaliang uba Orville Masar kumu he pulet ule thu ba yakni kejeng talasi la penlong kat kum kejeng batha no superintendent ki pulet ke distrik Ribhoi ban perkeng ya kejeng penken ya ki kendon nya kali kabaken thup ru ya kejeng ta iki yong kejeng peran kami ki siren bat ki Uba Orville Masar ulong bah banyak ki kali surok dai ban penti kena bandar ki kot kisla ki babyang na do license ki kot kali bat ban penti kena ban buram ya ke rukom nya kali kenang bakan embo ha ke jingma ya kinongnya bat ki wei runjo
ni kum ko police department ni ya kat kum ka direction jongi sir SP jongi iba phai ngi man ka por banyadan ha surok begini check kot kisla i check ki license I check lada cateted glasses ru kadan kungjuru kumanchu ong namar ba nanta i ai kan ka awareness man ka por he ni batai he man ka por re kum phinlap him dasi fin I kum chethe ki bon ki kalila se ki mebat ya ka license te ban pinbyang ki kot kisla pinbyang ki documents namakani ka checking khamtam ndi ta hanong poru so umya mga thai pin salap Sning Sebenarnya ka checking niele janman kasih. Di kami ka checking ru kami kumanchu ang penjenjara ki padba ngir ngim ko ahi. Ngi sotho bagane de ka highway kidan kilinti ki break balis Guwahati airport kidan ki lese ki padba ki babe ya ka pangshtam ngi sotho ya kata. Imdi ngi khaman chini ban penshtam na penjenjara no inoru pat. Ngi ko atang ki brew ru lese ki bani akla haba filabat ya khtiya khstering pihap simkhia. Bagato ka kali kade jongpi but license but ikot isla di bandan batpi. Pimla ban chuan ne ban ong namar mentang ladan da kani chalan ngan chu check ngan chu plate tang number ngalalap ba filasinum si insurance ndakam shu banya wat ai ka kot ai ka tangim ndakam shu ban lem ta matak ladan lut baka chalan ti kani di tang ka jikar pat ya ki pat ba sumba ban bo ikot isla labi nya khaliru nya suki kamdan ke ba phya ban cerke ban poyek lada phi hinya step phin poyeng extra tang sans formunde du compare kalau di pinya sukiru atai ka khambha namata kajingha jingbiat khamtam kini galien jong ni kanong kuali babun ki accident kilaja menshwa balalap ki kina school ki cross kini alpha school gadan hane kiladan ki accident menshwa tingi kerpat ya baro ki ba mentam ngi yang dir ngatangi i baki beri ki bawan ki yastep ha dan tek-tek haban pha da kali ru ban be da police kali jungi ban be nama ki sange ti kato ka pengi ba kipat ba lese kidan kata ka jingting ni kimdi bandan ka jingting i khamyang ni kom ki pulet banong ban penjenjar ne bangin halai phi i squata mungi check ka kisla lada fi biang ki kot kisla tenga thai phim da kami ban phat ne ban ni astet
Usambut Menteri Rang Ba Kejala ubak kami ika kampo yeng ubak Preston Tensong hagas seba arjong kata ya ula betha ya katanat pulen ban le da kebateng persya ya kinu ki breo ki ba pendan kambakla ya ki bor da kebata yet yong ni pendat ya ke siren klam da yo jingbet na ke sarkar bat ula pediang ru ya ke jinglet khandra kot khandra sla ki sang phalang ya ki nong bala barjala hanrai kem dai pat ban le palat put ban penshitom ya ki ni ki nong bala
Habai keren beginong patai kubor, usebut Menteri Rang Ba Kejala ubak Preston Tensong ulong, balai kejing betha ia ketenat pulet bat ia ki superintendent ki pulet bagian wat ia berok ki breo ke bapendan kambean, la kadai kejing tak yit yong la ni pendat siren ne kano ke bamiat kat kum ki kendon balabu da ke sorkar. Ubak Preston Tensong ula keren ikani hadin kejing ya okem ya ki breo ke badangshan ki bakam meladi kum ki breo kaan bat beliau kurup ya ki ergon ki walkie talkie bagi ke bagi tiar naki. Halor kejing keno ba unia ubah syakem ude ubah temu banikun election. Ubah Preston Tensong ulong bom dan jengtep sepang kata ban udang persyang ban keli niki parlok ki badan hakam san perthai. Ndrai kim dan jengtep sepang kania. Kumta ban sepenkut ikan ika jengkam da mano dan jengtep. Tang balada yajan bat ubi usi ne udi ki badan hakabor. Ndrai hab banyat kat kum ki kendon balabo da kesorkar. Kanang bakan mbojing yanoru.
There are people who misuse the power. So now we are on track, and then SOP again is in the final stage where we have already instructed DGP to bring out the SOP, and we'll make sure that VVIP culture should not be there, except, as I said to those duly approved by the Home Political as well as by the Police Department itself when they assess everything that yes, such person is really required to have this kind of facilities, then we can exempt from this kind of action. Otherwise, I'm telling you, I would like to reiterate that we are firmly dealing from now on those people who's trying to take advantage of the situation. We will not allow them to again repeat this kind of attitude. See, this is one area where we would like to send a very strong message to every concerned that see, the impersonation is not at all allowed, and we will make sure from now on no one should be repeated in such similar cases which it has happened, and we will not also allow people who is not fully approved or designated to use the dark class or to use siren. That we will be, will be there to make sure that action will be taken sternly.
Chief Executive Member CEM ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC ulalom ya ke jialang bat CEM ke hima melim Kipulit jong ka cantonment hakabai kila shim ya ka rai ban thau de operation team ban pahara na ka banta ban wanra ya ka jing shongsuk bat ka jing singan hayotu bat hakijaka bamarjan.
Chief Executive Member ka HADC uba Shembor lang renja ulalu megejingelang barusiam ke Himam Liam upa iam aina meniksiam rengkat bat ke officer ka tenat pulit cantonment ke officer ke enforcement ka HADC bat kibai. Habakrani gelat patai kubor uba Powell Soklet u Executive Member berunong aiktian jong ke Executive Committee ka HADC. Ulitu bah kejingelang la shemekarai ban thau de operation team ban pahara na kabenta banonra eksukasan hayodo berkijaka ki bamarkap. Habakran halor ke operation team u executive member u breakmi akatanat trade u ba Winston Tony Lindo ulong bagane ke operation team kan sedang nak kecing pahara jongka hakateo banwan teman kadan kejing sopia ke bejur halor kejing dan kinong de drugs bagi nong di kiat hayodo badia kene ke operation team unclear du superintendent ke enforcement u ba elanong uba Powell Soklet luetu bahalor kejing saamiat jagi breu yodo u chief executive member ula panjing shine usiam agaba usiam ula pentep bagidan kiba saamiat ndre gidan kiba panjing bed namar gidan ni kidukan kiba juplu na kejing dan kiselenda gas kumta ka council kelabtha ke hima bai kini kibreu baju saamiat yodo ka hima ka demen aino di kenja ID card hagani kejialang la yo ru benekran halor kejing jelei ki nong dia kiat yodo bat ka council kalapan jing syai na kahima meliam haga bak lapan syai pa kahimahi kam jo ajing bit bandikiat ayudo mereka dan pat kejing dia kum ta ka council kala aibor kene ka operation team ban khanglat kum kini ki kambean ki badan hayudo
berka kam ka mahmat yak meyakan kadai kabai ba ajing susngai mo jengga ayudo ngini yang dikisni ki berada ban kelang soka ka thu man penha man pen ke pendiang ya ayudo trending ngasok komunikasi mo Ili iu banginan kayeng pekidulan atau kayeng pat kamdan kedi susngan te waktu orang kabaman kini oleh kapsni ke orang kabaman tidak kalian gini ka council ni sodon ke skokia kamdam ya habdi meni ki board ki pat ba kilo kemi ki balik yudu ki thu ya kata kajing susngan ki yudu war kawai na kajing susngan jun ka yudu kadai na marketing jelai mo jun ki brio ki badi drugs ki ba shong kelenti ki sengkian ki ba kapor mun step ro kapor bawan ki bak nak beli ke dukan kam ki nong dijur kiman ko mesti ki shom kini ki bak ni ka kaman rak ke penduduk ke sungai tinggal yo banyak time ha we di ka kam nak kalian juga polis cepat ngan kalau ai jenggot nak kalian juga hima beli nak ai jenggot bak ni nak kalian jungiru nang ba jung siam bat ki am kila ai jenggot hari ke jeng ai jenggot jung ki ni la kot bangen form nak ka kanja operation team mo kini ka operation team ka ban kentup ya ki ofsan ini ne po ada council ta kin dan du da po ka police department bat menjuru da ka hima melim ki kambaro kanika operation team kan shom kin shom no la sha di sihi bakanya perkhat ki kam bakin tray ki kam bakin ne khana ban wana da jing sungai ani yudo bat ka ba ka bangil pasui ka long ba nakle kanika operation team kan don ki kenja patrolling mo kan ke jing yard ki babur ki bantaj ka yudo khantam me ki pon step te kala don ka jing ut ba war kapor menmit no kata menmit don ki brio ki ba submit ayudu atau dia bagian submit ayudu nak kalian joka council kelapan jing syai nak kalian joka hima melim nak don sisa ne em ki brio ki ba submit ayudu nak kalian joka hima melim ka pentip sangi pagi don hi ka to kan ni ki dukan bat kini kelapan jingbet nak kalian joka hima bagian submit ayudu dengan bakadon ka jing we ki jing peluk ka ayudu juga dukan baki bu ya ki gas kini ngilang ni nak kalian joka council pan baya kini ki pasang ni yudo tadi baki leo jingbet nak kalian joka hima kini ban ai no di ID ka kena baki pat ba kena kini ora ki betul kam yudo ada ki lap iki bru ki bam dan ID card ni ki bam sambil yudo yang lap namba kata ka jing dan ki ID card nang tang le kan lo ka beri baki jelai ka kia yudo nak kalian joka council ngilapan jing sha nak kalian joka hima la kan sha le bakan di kia yudo yang kalian kahima kerapan pau hiba kam judan kena kerjing ajing bet kini kena ban dikidukan tapi ban dikat dia duk dari kidan iki beliau ki balik ga kentang nak kalian juga di kajian yang IT baik akan ka operation team bahkan sim ya kini kena ki senja kenaman khanglat iki kena ki kamdaan ki berang po yodu
Kasang san pertai ka kun hinyo trap National Awakening Movement kenam kalami syakmat ban bu jingkeli ya ke sorkar MDA halor ke jing bom pentrai kam ya ke rajong ke sorkar barim halor ke jing dawa ke seng nadu ke senam arajar kan nyo ban kang no iki kali tourist ki banabar ke jela ban rung syaki jaka jungok kai perthai ki badon ha ke jela
Noilam ka khon New Trap National Awakening Movement khnam lobu jingkeli syaga sarkar MDA halor kejing bamla joka ban pentri kami karai jong sarkar berim ha ka baidai bekejing dawa ban khangno iki kali tourist ki bawa nabar kejela bekinyo ban rung syaki jaka jungok kai perthai ha kana kejela la ban kedau hang ne ba all khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association AKMTTA kilapan bana ban penlong kejing ki nado ka khandru trek unai lor ban persya halor kejing sangam menti jong sarkar kejing dawa jongki Habakrani kelat patai kubor haka praterik unai luar uba Thomas Pasa uleto baga khnam kan age jingkershan ga bapura age jingki jongka AKMTTA da ga bakdo baga khnam na do gasam arhajar kan nyau kala tho ke sarkar halor kania ban haga snam arhajar kat prapat nagaliang commissioner katana transport ula batha ya district transport officer bakin pet gi kali turis ke buana shabar ke jela haga bak sarkar kelapan poru ben pentreka mekania haduk benadap ke ISBT Menrai haga senam arajar kat pra marsen kelak sorkar kakerwo nak sorkar bagi menteri ru kala kelano uba Thomas Pasa ulong bagi kali nak jela Meghalaya kemjuyo banik kamai hagi jaka jungok kai pertai ha Assam barkiyo tang manbu iki brio tang haga kat lingsun bat haga station rail bat gi tang ne bat kimyo ban le kom ha Meghalaya bat ki kali Assam ki dimas ngutu ba kejengkang kamdai bikin wan chisilong ndaikan long tang ba kim la ban le yalam gi brio syaki jaka jungok kai pertai
Tina kalian ngejongi ru nado usnam adat khat new khat pra kapor badang don dekau pada ke sarkar ila tho ini benta habang itho ke sarkar ni tho rengkat ke tho kiba biang kiba ngila pe syaki wi kistit kile kom ko ngitip hari India menta kawin na kaba halong tam hakam jugok kai ke sikim ban ngila pentip syaka sarkar bahas sikim ru kinjusha etikali kiba nabar kiban yalan mi tourist syaki tourist destination gibran posting kin mana kalian kajongi ngila pentip lembaga jingkho syaka sarkar adu aja kan nyu ban hatu popor lembaga city ka baka state government ka icing hu ajar hat phara new trip warja hat phara lembaga city number communication/trans/enf/nrpo/arja kan nyu/arpolai Lembaga negara city nak kalian jong Commissioner of Transport Meghalaya Shillong. Kila batha ya ki District Transport Officer. Baki dei ban pej benya. Yakin kali kiba one nabar. Kiba lek sepok ki tourist destination. Bat hakato ko pon nak kalian jongi ngilayor ka city nak kalian ka sarkar ko arja hakra. Hakapa kila penpau. Bahwa kat kun gajing wat benya jong sarkar pada Kila bakadai gaji sisa bahasa pos sikim ru kim jusha ya kita ki kali ki bang dai sikim register bagian let caki tourist destination bak ki kali berapa ki bayaram mi ki nong jugok kai pertai bat nak kalian sarkar kalau orang ini pada tu por namar ba kasar menta kalau ka bakim ba ka blok barat dikira kerpat island ba on dala adab ka ISPT ka sarkar kan pensangnya no ya ki kini ki kali Iba ferry ki tourist hang te apa ISBT mana ISBT pada can pick up no taki kali ki jong bat ngila kini den tiba lesi kata kadika ka plan ka babiang ba ngila suap kuil di lano ka ISBT kan der hadin aja khatra kalawan no daga MDA 1 bat hadin gatu ni persyang ibane keren ya ki transport minister tourism minister to ka por ndai ngai ba kastan ga jong government ka kalan bat kiwan ki comments ki statement na government of for ki bawan mendaru ya ka bakyong lada syakang ki kali Meghalaya sa Assam nile kondo ti jipun sai ni we ki kali na po Meghalaya kim juyo manlek man kamai hakit tourist destination ber po Assam kata ka ba sai ba hoy ki kali jongi lagi yalam passenger ha airport ho railway station kakut hang tai kam dang chu sang wi bikilaban yalam bat ngitip ba lebih baik tang pok kajian ngaru kikali ben pak ang do pok kajian ngaru kita ki es baik kim pinum la ML 05 ni so tho ba ke state ke badan ni ke caliber ban kamai lembaga tourism kai ban pendiang shwa yaki residents juga state shwa nukong nakata-kata nak keleng ke jongi ni aga ji kerja ke pura ban ni penpau ru ba ni penpau ji kerja dia tapi kini kiba napo asam kini ban suto ni kem ong bam sya syu ban rung ni kali asam yang ni syai ti sebab wan lam si sibun bagi turis hang ti pa SBT menang ni pada ini lam nomangi kata kam dei mengi khang yo i ki ding mi ki ma ki lak teng ba ki ding berngam ban khang ti ki kali yang kali kit ma ba mardi te kan kam ya pe mangin khang ti ki kali asam baki ki nang ti ki option apa asam di ban sung thu ya kata ha ko di kumbang ilayu i boros kata kadang ka kini ki traveling agencies ke berana pagodi kiba kamai kambun naka tourism jong jala ka jongi kini travel agency ki recruit maki ki book maki ki alam wanra maki sene ki penthai yang maki jadi but kiba bung ki camp wat yang abang badit ki song nake but sene ki wantang ban bread ki plastic chip but ki bilor plastic kapamun haduk menta kam da don tan gada jing mento ya uluk ulak naiki pajba nakataka tourism deka state government kadi ban sung thu ya kan deka point of view kai ba ladang idon dikidi gilum kiwa bathian bo boleh lai kapal kadai hok shwa ya ni shwa bang yo jing mento ne to kan tam ya kan deka por ba produkan ko jang bisamla menta lada ke sarkar ke sim ni kena senjang mata ki samla jong igin turis kali sedang mentir bani orang ramai banda kalian ngajong ini guru ya ka state government tu apor kijing mentoy laro yalam dagi ni driver ki jongi saki tourist destination ki bana po Meghalaya kijing mentoy ka dengan ni ka safety yaki nong wan jo kai pi nama ki surok sini ki long ki ba khongwan ki bariat but let's say kita ki nong nya kali sak po retor sa plain area yo kimpat long expert ba dagi jongi kan long ka jumontoy gitu res kabar la ki sim ne kini dagi kali ki bana po gibari ML05 kini ki turis ki ban wan sini sepo Meghalaya kan long ka jumontoy ki namar ki ban kam suban kali sano kadon kata ki jongi ki tiblum ban kabar ka safety kini ka kongsan ka ba dang suggestion atau ka jing dia kaki jong sonam la di nando to kabor ba kidai tang ki kali ki ban po Meghalaya ki bala ban ferry ya kini ki turis ata ka to jinja ka nong dia sokar jela company kana ba ki nong ya kali ki bari try muluk kin yo bainong kin yo bala na ka kam jo kai pertai ka bamun da ka basai baka sarkar kampwa ba ki youth ki jongi ni ki kin nong sinong ki jongi kin yo jing mentoy na ka tourism department la ni kin yo la ban kamai kai lada ka Meghalaya la sarkar ka jongi kadam kumi kata konsep emut kabdai pro Meghalaya residents policy ko jongka kadai kum no penmentoy ya ki bangdai i try muluk ai ngono pilada ka haju kani ka juk amat ka sarkar awar ka nyau kala kubur kala tre kala manjur ban penteri kami kani balai kani ka sarkar kamla maka siti ba peningai pi kadai ka wan apa transport commissioner the government of Meghalaya ya tu kapor ka party de gawai menta ka party de gawai hede nga song thu ba sisin mangilayo ka city mo sitin bangilayo ya ka official city jong ofsar jong ka sarkar kani ka city kamla ban yap nomor lawan ka party ni ka official correspondence kani ka official correspondence kani bandon ka jimbut din menta ban ong balawan ka party gitu ki city sitar bentar no te hato kata kalau profesional sih ada kontrakam tu department gitu ka syong ka sarkar maka bakan jubang bat ka bakal boksan ya ngayo i baki diki minister ki jongi ki ba penting ki ba ai petrol ki ba penting ben smi yo syak hang no kita ki asam ki hang yang ibada kita penting ki mi na ki minister ki jongi
Kino yalam kesenjuk kitrai bat nongnya kali kamai kabri uhinyo trap hagase balang jong katayo kilale yakendo yo Chief Executive Member CEM ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC bat kiladawa ban shimkya yakijing ka bakimat bat khamtam hakaban perking no yakijing kamai ki kali kibam dai kiriolom da ka pentrikam pura yaka United Khasi Giant Hills District Trading by Non-Tribals Regulation Shahajar Khandai Spa San Pausao.
Kinong elam kesenjok kitrai bat nongnya kali kamai kebri unyo trap hakashiput terek unai luar arhajar arpusan. Kilalit yakendo yo Chief Executive Member ke KHADC ubak Shembor lang renja ban kentu na ke District Council bahkan kemi lang halor kijing kinongnya kali na kebri unyo trap. Habakran ikilat patai kubor ubak balajit jerwa ubadai General Secretary ke AKMTTA. Itu bagi jinglik senjuk menekendo yang Chief Executive Member kalong ban kerpat ke Council bahkan kenilang ya kejing jangki try ri daga bapen scam ya ke United Khasi Giant Hills District Trading by Non-Tribals Regulation Act ka Kendai Spa San Pusau. Katkum ka Amendment Section 3A1B kabala kedo bakino-kino kibale ya kikam business kabakan turu ikabakamai kali bagi day ban no trading license haba kikamai kijaka bahaba po ka 6th schedule. Ulang bagajing wan haki HADC kini kesengi kalong berkentu neka council lada ke sarkar kampat la ben AA ki kuat baka council kan bot ki kendon menerap binongnya kali kebedai ki try jela. Haga baidai bagani kejing dawa kesenjok na kaliang Chief Executive Member ula aktien bai kini ngakam unsa syongker ki baka tanat trade banwa dikilat kumno ban le halor kania.
Tekani kejing wan kejungi kumbang ong mentan wala pensai di wi member jungi jongka yakin ni haga bai dei bat ketukan non-tribal trading license mo iwan bet meng kedu halor kata namar ba kumba fitip hakiti kijaka bangi idan kijaka jungi kijaka jokai ki dei bet pahap pok 6 salute area tengiru na kalian kata kajik perem ni kita ki action fair di baong ba nang thina sam ki ong ba kap nimla man pelong kum ka skim model sini ndai na kalian kumba kering paljet mentan kaung bet ba kadai kata hikelenti ke ba ni haban wan ke district council haba kadon ke district council ngila ban lembaga district council kala ban tek lakam ru si ha kata ka jingwan jungi mtasi ga bai dei bat kata ka non trading like itu non trade United Khasi Giant Hills by non-tribal regulation house nem khat Kendai Spa San Pusau katu bala regulate mah kedi kalau kata kedi wan tas tu ba dan bi menteri sarkar ibadah kabor mentai ang ba batai sepangga Kaziranga mo batai sepang Kaziranga itip tang Kaziranga pitip ne am kai ka bajak ngan ong ibiang ni hak Kaziranga kadon kat nutli hak Assam kita kipak national park kadon ni ka national park Kaziranga Probitra Park kani Manas Park kini kidan likely kipak kibapawa po Assam hakini itu kita kinongalam po Assam kiwan ban balai start ya ke bangingin mu ya semat pun kinong nongnya kali kemai mana kejela ji bangin mungkin semat gini jengki banum syak kali ban bar kejela banum transport ngani tu ipi hakaziranga wat undongnya kali kemai na Assam ru umyo bandrung hakate gipak utrai lokal nang ton pok Kaziranga hak bandkit dan kel Islam kon kit kita sangko komod kiru kin mi bandung spok to Kaziranga pak ini kita tradisional untuk diberi ki Asami ke Islam kit ki lokal gitu hampir probita pak ko kani ko kolong bujo hamana su kolong bujo dengan ong lihat apa pidan apa ski sekretariat or partai start ya ke beja apa Asam itip khambami kinong nya kali kamai ibang julai yakini kijaka bakar bakumno kejungi kalong ba ni syam menta kalong be ni wat hakini kipak ni mlak bandung tang ko wengo ong ba ku sarkar berdom naik penhe kutuk ting am jongpi le kakam buat ngan ong isis kin nang ismat buat jupen big minute ne cingkom ni syu ismat jingi ki jingi kan nyai baik anu kan trik klembu por tak hadu ba ladapi ong ba ni long kita ki ba ni nya perkhat iki tuai renga skot pak an ko por nam ta ki pa ka bri nyo trap nong song ki ba i jongi kan ni ke jingi ki jingi kan dei baik kalenti ke ba nyai la ke jing jai om bangin pedung
sumar snong nani ban punduk nong ya ki try nong snong ki ba mut bal isem dawai ni kini kata ni nem ton kum kata ring nya jai bai nama nak kalian jungi kum bangan pensai yang sin kalau bai ni kwa ya ka sokar bakan thau ki polisi har bai dei ki terus pot menum syak sui keliban bar ka jenglah tangi ta namenta ki produk prasnam nani ki nok snong ngap pensai kata ka bentang ni kan tangi keli bot khot bandung pot jelam ni kalian
ngila pensai di Assam ba pet ni kham nya pisia banum wan sene ngi ong ba ndai ban support to respond tangata hima ngila ada pensai ki ro andre ya kata ka response lu kidan kalong mix response kalian juki ma kidan ki drivers ki bakersan ya kan ya kidan pat lamar bakini ki bamismat kidebe kita ki nong yalam nakok kita ki association andre hapo Assam ni tep ba bakadan da ka union umdai da ka association kidan da ka union kate kane ka jingmi jong kata ka association tu kami nano ngim dan jingtep ma kaba arpat kalong ba ya kan ka baong ban khang bani baong kumbaong gi ba kamdan kata ka rules and regulation handre katkum kane ka pe ngal wadra hane mentasi kane ka reciprocal transport agreement between the government of state of Assam and the government state of Meghalaya kabalasan hausnam khandai spa khandai penyau 1997 hausau terek December ma but kanero kadan ka subsection 4 apo subsection 4 jang ka section 88 hangne kala ailat da ka constitution da ka motor vehicle act 1988 bapila benchna ya kita ki transit route ya kita ki kini ki agreement hapeng jing two states kumno ban kamai kumno ban ai kita ki kini ki permit CA teladang ipet hangne ro kamdei datang ka Meghalaya ka basai ni kan handai wat ka West Bengal and Sikkim ke West Bengal bekas Sikkim nang tapat ka Jharkhand ka government of Jharkhand but ka Odisha kata aru ka sign hau 3 August 2024 ma pe but ka Odisha Jharkhand ru kadang bolong latest kini kita bolong latest ijongi pat hangni kapo ka Meghalaya reciprocal transport agreement baka Assam ro nila bani da ka basai bahang ni la mention clearly that this gazette of the state and continue to be operative till replaced by a fresh agreement by mutual consent timut kani kade bensim kya ka sarkar amari kani kemudian basai mangiki tourist association ne menu kaya kani la ada sign da Commissioner and Secretary of Government of Meghalaya Transport Department US Chatterjee 1997 waktu PC Sharma ubolong Commissioner and Secretary of the Government of Assam Transport Department bakila adon kisaki ini ba Shri PK Lakiang Joint Commissioner of Transport antara West Data DC Tripura Bhawan Guwahati di Saikia Commissioner of Transport of Assam ma kila ada clearly mention hangnya what hayaki tourist permit ro ladang ngikanya kata ka tourist permit ladang ikran ka basya ngiyat kan kum kane ka rule ba menta mut jen barokhat ki permit bayo menta kila along invalid lamar bakat kum kane ka kat kum ka rules and regulation ki depet kumno ka tho Meghalaya but Assam 200 permits each 200 permits each mut kita ki permit kumno menta kajing kiling habu ya transport department ba kumno kimi kat ni teli ki permit habahang ni glasya tang aspa teli ka amendment ro kampat don ka rules semai basain batmai ro padon ma ya kapalai kumboong bapol ba ahna mla ya kata corridor facility na kita ke EU ma hang ni la mention lupa hang ni kalau ada lupa ya kata ka corridor facility when the route of the stage carriage bus permit bus tourist taxi, minibus from initial point to terminal point of the state passes through the territory of other states, each of the parties shall allow the vehicles to pass through its territory, provided that the vehicle shall not drop or pick up passengers at any place within the reciprocating state. Kamut ayu kan ya, kalong ba, kila dah pick up lah ke point siapa point A, siapa point B, siapa mentang ilik nang ni siapa Guwahati. Ilik nang ni Guwahati mut kini ki taxi kini ki berokai kat kum kan ni nimla ban pick up na pedeng jongka surok ki ladang ilik spo Assam mut pedeng jong tu ka Assam berokai nimla ban pick up passenger ilik bunyi pick up direct na depo na point baik na po depo na po hotel ma dia kebasau pot kalong bah hakani ka hangni ka rule ngilap ba ka state carriage permit kamut ka bus ki buses ye berokhat hangne ki ong ban I preference baik tang ye ka state transport corporation ti lada PE menta lada pipet menta ke MTC kalaja nyam menta ka MTC ka sulong tang kanong tiket lamar beli kini ki permit berokhat ke lalek sono ki lek private siki private individuals. Di menu kita ki private individuals pilatik lupa menu badai but menu pada ki jingdon stakeholders lu hangni ki dei ki bri ki badan hapok syuki ki badan stakeholders takada kim ko ban implement ya kan ya ban pen i pai ba lamar balai kan ni ngila adap submit hangni kalau adon ka receive copy kan ni ka receive kila receive hau arjar aku saw khatra tarik banai bakhat wei arjar aku saw kila adap receive buki kan go through ikini barokat kajing ong jong bapol bang ngimdan registration ngimdan office kabolong basam berkia katu teli ki letterhead ngila asapi ngila tho clearly ngila mention clearly hang tu ka registration number jengi di balai phimla se banwa jing tep mut what ya ka city ru ki ba asapi mut thi kam go through kam go through kam review gitu borokhan ada ngi sei ngi khandang lu ya kan ni ka RTA borokhan hang ne timut ka sarkar jungi kahap ban implement ni kan ni mentah-mentah hi kahap khot ya ka asam ban syong mentah-mentah hi ban review kan ni betema namar bali hang ni mendai tang yaki kali batho tang yaki kali red ma handai wat yaki bus yaki truck barok khot la tho lo hang ni karau kadon lo Shillong Guwahati katno teli ki bus ki di banyo katno teli ki permit ki di banyo Shillong Karimganj vice versa katno teli ki permit di banyo balai kam ko aban implement ni kan ni ka sarkar ya kan ni ka reciprocal transport agreement lamar balai stakeholder jengki kin sadu no neki private companies mar balai kini basan hapo bor hapo syukiru kidan stake hakini ki companies ada fipek kita ki bas borok khait badan hate po IUM kita ki private sudah mundai syuk jang state transport corporation ka Meghalaya transport corporation kala Shillong no tang kanong ot tiket ki bas lajong mentah ke basulet bitang siapa turah tang siapa Garo Hills kita buat selcar lebon ki bas private sudah kena dapat juga selcar pun ki bas private sudah diladangi terkadang ngila suku mentah baka sarkar kemkuat men penteri kami kan ni lamar balai kan do ya ka share lajong
Menteri Rang Ba Kejala Ukonrat Kesama ringkat banu MLA ke South Shillong constituency uba San Bor Shulai hakasi balang jong katayo kilale jurep banyo I ya ke Jinglong Jingman jong ka Lady Care Welfare Center ka Badon Halaban Shillong
Hakani kejing net jurep jong Menteri Rang Ba Kejala ya ka Lady ke Welfare Center Halaban Shillong Laidon lang gidikot jong Indian Red Cross Society Meghalaya State Branch bat kinong trei jong ke Welfare Center. Ka Lady ke Welfare Center kedai ke belas sedang naduk senam syajar kendai sepa arpau kabadi ru ke yeng jong Indian Red Cross Society Meghalaya Chapter. Bat ke Red Cross Maternity Home kabaladon palat ya ke sispa senam. Bat ke yeng kolong kabala rem bat kabala jot bah. Ka Indian Red Cross Society Meghalaya Chapter kala kerpat ikejing tuklar bat ikejing kersyan nak sarkar jela. Ban maramot bat ban senapan bahai ke center. Ka Indian Red Cross Society kalapan pau ba ka Red Cross Society Meghalaya Chapter kala ai kejing syakri hakakot kakya kam tamigi kena bat kejing sumar kilong keme gi bapun kon bat iki beduk ki bekerdo. Ukondat kongkal sangma ulong ba ka Indian Red Cross Society Meghalaya kedai ka Community Health Society ke bakong san bah hakim lang salang bat kumta ki Community Health Society ki debene trelang bat ke sarkar. Namar bagi doni kejuk ketong ban sam lang ya kejing don jing em ba kejing syampang ban kentiu kokot kakia akibat ba kabalak ban wanra kejing kelah kalian kokot kakia Menteri Rang Ba ulah penting kena ke society ba ke sarkar kan ai kejing erap ha ban sna maramot ba ban sna penbahan ke bentah kebit kabiang jong ke em lang salang
Hashwa baginya kami ikut kubur badangsa inya phashwa shipor sekini kicing penbena.
Ngila tre kini ke kam la kumba khat lai snem ye menta but ka average turnover jungi kala lang kumba lai pesan laki ye ngila penyar ke kom tre kam jungi lembaga services ke bing ai ki tourist tang haki hakasar bat ngila ya ki nong kendong ba pero man la snem ngila nang keu bat ngila nang kwa ban penhe shushu kini ke kam ko bing tre
ngila sedang ye Little Sunshine Boutique and Nursery House nam Arja Arway bat hakapor bangis dang ikhlam don kanu ke jing bay pisa ke bahia idon tangi ke jing mut ke jing trang ba ke jing thmu pen orlong ya kini ke kam mentai ngilashna ya kai ke bas kham ngidon ki customer ki buan nakapor shakapor ka kin hun tre ka ba klan bat ru ngilanang kiu na way usnam sha way pat
ka thong ki yong i na du asdang to kwa i upen he i kini ke kam ki yong i chiki wi wan ki jilla dadap chna i ye ke jing stang Katewan kam i yo pun ku chu i kini ka ki yong i chiki yaw ka wat me mat le yo pun bha i kini ka sap ka wade em lupa i nei te wan yo i pun scan ni ka nong rim yang kini ka kam ka wade dap sen i kwa ile uchna but yo e kam ile ye kiwi yo open kam i kini ki bot technology kiwa yi open bha chu ya ka kam ka yong i kwa uchna ki ne khalia Kiwa you yen scam chickling cling hai.
Haba piladap banseng bat penyeng nong reme ke kam kasin jam ke bobot kolong kumno bopin penhe pensan rengkat ke jingarap ke pebiang. Ke megapreneur ke deka rensan tang ba ke deka jingekop Henry ke deka rensan ke ba ailat ipi bopin kendu iki beri baper bat bopin yo ke jingarap ke company kumno ban kentie ki kam ki jam jumpi.
Ka Megapreneur Startup Challenge ke deka jingekop banwat ya ki santli ki kam balas dang dalade ban mikmat ya ke jilla Meghalaya ha ke grand pitching segment jong ke Megapreneur Expo Arja Arfusan ke deka kabu ke baketpang bat pen pau perthei ya ki kam ki ba ki lasdang ban kendu bat ya kren bat ya ki investors dan ki nong bay pisa bat ban nang kentiu shushu ya ki kam ki jongki.
Pada pikwa bani shimta kani Pidi bende kinong shong jong jela Meghalaya. Pidi bende ru kinong India ki balak palat eka kat paras nem seneng. Pidi bende kita ki registered private limited companies. Tane pidi ban long ki bakloy ban register. Pihak ban pen i ba katon over jeng fi kala cross eka live san lak seneng. Lane pihak ban pen i ba pidon ya ke bor ban yo eka ni. De bandan ya ke kam lane ke tiar balak ban pendon kam. Ya ke team ke bas kem. Ya ke jing yo anong na ways nem sha away. De ban ai kam ai jam ki way. De bandan ke jing shna ba thmai ya ki tiar lane ki kam ki jong phi. Pidi ban ki bakloy ban pendon kam ya ke teknologi. Penam pediang ya kinu ki kam ki bay de bat ke kam khayi. Lane ki bay tre shiyeng. Kani ke de nam ta ki nong seng kam seng jam daladi.
Nakaleng ke jela Meghalaya on jet ya apsan ngut kinong sengkam ban pitch hakaron ke banwan bat nakini san ngut kinyo ekalat ban mikmat ya ke jela haka Megapreneur Expo Arja Arfusan.
Wilayah leng bagi jin jenjar mentang ente rengkat bagi jin kersan ngin kentie ke jela Meghalaya.
I had an idea, a small one, but I didn't know where to begin. The product was ready, but something was missing. I needed some assistance, but didn't know who to turn to. Then I found the Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge. Launched in 2019 by the Government of Meghalaya, CMECC is more than just a competition. It's a launchpad for Meghalaya's most promising entrepreneurs. Each year, 150 entrepreneurs are chosen to pitch their ideas. Only 75 are selected to enter a 9-month journey of growth and transformation. In the Prime Incubation Program, they gain mentorship, national visibility and access to funding, business tools, boot camps, co-working spaces and market access. To support their entrepreneurial journey, the program also provides financial assistance through business grants that help entrepreneurs grow and scale their ventures. The top 35 startups receive Rs 2 lakh and the remaining 40 startups receive Rs 1 lakh in funding. With free co-working spaces, startup tools, branding support and legal services, CMECC helps you focus on what matters most, building.
Prime helped us believe in our ideas.
Only these made it click.
CMECC has incubated many entrepreneurs from all 12 districts, creating thousands of jobs and impacting lives. You have the idea, we have the support.
I'm thankful to Prime for the opportunity to receive help and mentorship. So join Prime today for a better tomorrow.
Habang inya beteng biang iki kubor sa sisien ngin pen kan mau yak imat bakong san jong ka kubor mentak tayo. Kejing du no ka bakrau yak jala Meghalaya na kejing klap no menteri rang ba barim kejala u Dr. Didi Lapang. Pentet u menteri rang ba kejing du na banyo kam kisamla ha ka sisnam ka kot hadu hendreu ponyo hajar san spa ngun. Bat sajit u limasan sangma ko u deputy speaker. Ha kesem ka baningkong le shong dorbar ka kurim u menteri rang ba kejala. En pelat ba kesoka jala ya ka kai phot jing toket halo ke MEECL bat menjur ya ke Meghalaya Excise Amendment Rules arhajar arpusan. Ya pusamla na kejingja aksiden haran bangri. Lap ki kulit ya ke syndrome medyap hajan 6th Battalion pentikna ki bahayeng na ka mobile bat jangpong. Hapo sikenta silak penka dan kuna ki pulit na kinongnya kali ba penken MVA hanong po. Siapan kuburam sipangut kinong patay kubor haka media meet arhajar arpusan. Ginoyalam kehinyaw trap National Youth Front HNYF Southeast Sora Circle haka sibalang jong katayo kilali yakendo yaw Chief Executive Member CEM jong Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHDC uba Shembor lang renja ban penpaw yakijing sokya halo kijing yo jaka kinong Bangladesh ban buhay shnong hapen taumdan ha Ishamati kabahap haka East Khasi Hills District.
Ginongelam kehinyaw trap National Youth Front HNYF Southeast Sora Circle hakijipo trek unai luar arhajar arpusan. Kilawan menikendo yaw Chief Executive Member ke KHADC ubak Shembor lang renja ban pensngo holol ke jingyo jaka kinong Bangladesh ha pentha umdan ha Ichamati. Abakira ni kilat patai kubor ubak banjok kongwir General Secretary ke HNYF Southeast Sora Circle ulong ba uni unong Bangladesh ubalayo ke jaka ha pentha umdan udan ya kedulir jaka bat rengkat bat uru kidan bonut ki bahayeng ki beliau alang ya kedulir jaka ha kene kathan nrei halor kania na kaliang usodar ke hima mulong ula kentat budan jengtip halor kene kakam nrei keseng kala yo ki kot ke bakreu ba ke hima mulong kala julom ka khajna na uni ubriu blatep kerteng kom u Rojani Das beliau jaka ha pentha umdan ulitho ba uni ubriu uba nabari ubajusa kene kejaka lalap udan ya kedulir jong kejaka ka bahaya si akar bat kada do menta kila bon pat bha bakila don do santli kilong yeng kibari ki bahayeng jongu kibabiang kikot kisla bat kedulir jaka bakilong kitrai jaka hangni kaseng ka kentu yo sodar khima maulong bu dei melewat yakum kini kibriu na Bangladesh kibalayo ban keluar ni ki jaka ha Meghalaya bagi dei ban penduk pendam no yakum kini kidulir balayo di kibriu bam dei na kejela ulitho ru bakilayo bani kendo ya executive member bakmi katna trade uba Winston Tony Lingdo ban yakrel halo ka jinglap jong kaseng ya ka jingyo gibrego na bar ka jela ban le ki kam khayi klem dadon ya ki trading license na ka council
bat ka jingbut in jungi kalong bai pangi kwa ban pensya sigi pai ba halor
namar bakidon ki paiba ki bakwa banyo yang kejingtip ke basai halo kini ki dulir ki bala kedeu syai hang ni ba kilai don ki balai pun don ki balai keli habai kendu disikin ki dulir ayu kum kita piyo te hang ni ngin sibata syai kini kedulir ke bala cok syai hang ni kani kedulir ke bangiyo nanti kalau kum kenja sedikit adin kadon kedulir kani kalau cok syai hang ni ba information report of Bangladesh national who stay in India is unauthorized. Kapat hang ni lapen isyai baya kasing baya kajaka kabaka ya uni briu bayo ya kani ka certificate kadai na Haripur district Sunamganj Bangladesh kani lapen isyai hang ni baki de ki break baki de na po Bangladesh te kabalong ka bagi selungo na marba ka sterik banai bakanda kumju hak aklu terik banai ubakra abadan ke discussion meeting hang ti na kaliang jong ki executive jong ka hima maulong ki ai ka jubab yangi kalong baik ba umdan ki jai benri ki wei pat ki jai benri ki bomde kasi ki bandio jaka ki tan jong ka pentha umdan area isyamati ke bagi juang te hadin kata pat na halor bangi lalum yakini jing tim ilalit ru bantua jingmut no soda ka starik banai kendai jong news nam hi takata na kaliang jong soda ru la pensya open pau sai ba ki dei bi ki kasi lada ki let ban check na kasliang kasnang ru kinmi bi kasi ban kam trai kini ki jaka te bat ngikwa ban pensya hang ni halor kan ni ba uni uju hi ubri uba hang ni lah kedau syai ba udai unong Bangladesh bat uni uju hi ubri ubayo ya kani kadulir bat ngisutu syai ba nakaliang jeng usoda balai pensya yang ni namar bang ngisutu bahang ni kadulir lato ba kajing ai lat jika jing ai wai ya kani kejaka jing ai les kani jaka kadai tangkis nem kamu house nem sejak ndai spaknya pusan bahkan kun no house nem sejak ndai spaknya pun real tingi syukwa ban kli usoda namar balai bo halo kajing ong jong u ba umdan ya kajing tip halo kajing umdan ya kajing tip hendrai ilapat ya kani ka ya kum kini ki jaj khajna ki ba ulum kamut kini ki khajna ki ba ulum kamut ba usodar udan ya kajing tip ya kani ka jaka ya kini ki jaka ki ba kita di Bangladesh ki yo ban syong hang ki tika balungo baka katum kapata ka mention tang kumba shisnem ndrai haduk menta ki syong kisa bat kumbangi laya keren hi menta kelas tang ban tre ya ki ying di bakhamha ki ying ma mo ong tena kata kata wilayah keren mentan ya ICM nalor kajing bam hun yang ya kajing kubur jeng usoda ka starik menai bakandai aka japusan bat aka ju hi kasni discussing ka ba nakaliang jeng ICM IM ki ada rekat ki kilai usngo hidar lai jok skor bakadon kajing kubur pamdan kita kecaka jong ki we pat ki jai benri hang tiap ko kita umdan isyamati te halor kani kanungrim ngisngo ban ong ba baki paiba kisau tu syahi ban nakaliang kaseng asyua bangin sim ya kanu kesenjam niwa ya katenrai ban penpau ban penti kena syai tapi ba kini ki jakahi hakani ke kompon ka bausa uni u haba usa uni u kar uni u barjela uni u lalong bai umenderi hakani kidon hadu kumbasan teli kilong yeng bat kajaka habangila survey bat mauhi uboong ba ya kani kajaka kaladon kumbusi akar duna bahasa kita kilong ye kamut ki family junggu hani kila yo lo laki jong ki dulir ki dalam bahasa usan teli te bat in batai syairu ka kalenti pat ki bangi kendu ya uni ubreu kalenti ka bangi kendu ya uni ubreu kadai bangi na kalian kasang ilik ban syek ya ka work permit abangi la syek ya ka work permit tinggi lapan ya lame biang em ki kot kislai ka work permit ba dia ka clearance nang na po kabla issue da ka district council na kalian jung kambo wong adai trash nong bat hadi hantang nakaliang jungi kasang ilapan kajing pensisya bangi ong iu ai kajing pensisya ba pide u trash nong jong kani ka area jong kani ka pentha umdan samati nakaliang jungu laya lambe yang isayang tin nakaliang jung la seibe kensan dakini ki kani ka bolong ka sedikit bat kani ka kadulir ong kini ki de ki ba ki lenti ki ba pen itu ya pi bangade trash nong tin nakaliang jungi nalor kajing bom suhun jungi natakadaw isawan ban keren syak pai baru banang ni syakmat nakaliang jungi ya bat nilai keren ru isiam bangin dam ailat kini ki jaka bakin duai hakiti ki tanjungi bakin lech ki we pat ki jait benriu namar ngitip syai baka ba kini baru kita ki belapan kenya kalan transfer bat hang ni bela kedau syai batang kisnam ya kene kejaka tak kisnam la aiwa ya kene kejaka hendrei kabalengo kalong hadu kat kini kisnam kidang ne ya kene ka kidang ne ban syong hakini kejaka dan kata kadau ni sngo ban kentu yu soda bo haban liwat benia liti benia li eksamen bo unlap lut yakum kini ki jaka kiba ki ailes kiba ki menderi ki yok ban syong ban kulun jaka tiki jaka khnang ba nakaleng kasnong misutu ba kadeng kasnong ka isu ya kapata nakaleng kasnong kala iban ban sim karai ban cancel yakum kini ki jaka na markat kum ki kendon ki bala tho ang ni
ke ipat ka jubab ka bapia na CEM bat EM in charge
hakabaya day bat CEM tingile be habaya day bat laka habaya day bat kanika habaya day bat kanika patah bat kanika ban pensisya ba uding nong Bangladesh naka kasaki pangiwan ra bat pensisya ba dele nong Bangladesh nakaliang CEM tekani insa kila ini la batai sai mentan bagi hakam discuss meeting ka belong adul tering nak tingi sngoban aku bleiru namar bakila aya ka order menta syakisnong bagi simkia kat kum katuka paragraf ka baar jongka order ka badai hau arajar ka kenda bat ka order ka bagi ai menta ya ki kitu kimat borok ki bangilaya dawa katusin di katu ka program ka ba yu ka bala kadau syahi program faat ka apun ka banikong bat ka ba ka bala kadau syahi ba kinu ki bamde ki cek edukasi ki melaban jadi yati jaka bne ban klim jaka ti ki jaka bat hang la kadau syahi pa hakamat ka ba ba nakaliang ki hima ki dei ban cancel ne ban wengno ki kitu ki jaka ban cancel no ikini ki dulir ki patah ki baki kila isu syaki we pat ki jek benri ki bamde ki kasi kat kum ki balapen kenya kalan transfer ya kata hika juba ka bangi ka kata ka order ka bangi yu ka ba nakali isi amila batai sya baila ay kata ka order nakali syaki shinong debat nakali jungi yong baka idang ab ya ka report ba kisnong kin ay namar pilapani ka report juga ki jong ki dulir ki patah ki badan lagi ki tan boda bila ada yang report kata-kata itu berjumpa ya.
Ka Department of Information and Public Relations DIPR hakasi balang jong katayo kalapenlong ya ka media meet ka baar hakotiat by Marriott Shillong but hakane ke jingalang lapen kuburam ya ke shipongut kinong tho kubor ke jela da ka baai ka kusnam bat ka song pisa ka bamar shilap tengka
ki shipongut kinong tho kubor ke belsyapun kuburam ki kentup yu ba de maya siang syai uba John Thaba, uba Powell Soklet, uba Barnes Marmanyang, uba Francis Kongwar, uba M Thayang, uba Starfing Pada Kasiat, Manush Das, Urajib Chaudhuri, uba Dr. KK Junjunwala. Yakini kinong tok kubor lepun kuburam do Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma, ha kabaliran lang ke Menteri Kebekemi Ekatrat Information and Public Relations Dr. Amprin Lengdo, kum ke Sembut Kongsan, ha kejengyalang Media Meet. Ha kabaliran lang ru Chief Secretary Kejelau ba DP Walang, Development Commissioner but Principal Secretary Dr. Sampat Kumar, Head Officer Sarkar kinong tok kubor bat kiwe-kiwe. Habakran kejengyalang Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau ulong bagilat patai kubor, kidan dikebentah ke bakrau ki emlang salang bagi kinong patai kubor ki ben itu, ya kejengkit klik kebuan rengkat bat ki hakakam ke bagi tray. Ulapan pau kejeng sengungu ikinong patai kubor ki bela tray met bat mensiam kamtam, hakabaniro ikitu ke bela penlut ikaporu kejim jengki ban patai hok ya ke kubor. Ulapan syairu halor kejeng kular ke sarkar ban kersyan kinong patai kubor leng baka welfare scheme ban mat ai kejeng kersyan ke baman lau benai ke baspo hajar tengkas kinong patai kubor ke bila nok kerta hapo jong ke Meghalaya Journalist Welfare Scheme arhajar arpusau nalor kenia ulo terwaru ban ajing rapisa ke bakot lai pesan lak tengka kania ke media meet ke lalong halor kamat from print to pixel navigating trust technology consumption and accountability Badla penelong ya workshop alor kimat beper ya kebalayo ekejengkran kerpang negeri Syampang na keleng kibenta jongkari.
Which I would like to share is that we sometimes don't realize the kind of responsibility and power that we have. When I say we, I mean you as journalists and as media people. And I think it's very important to be able to understand that responsibility and that power, because it influences the way our society is, the way our state, the way the state's affairs are held or taken care of, and how we move forward or how we move backward. And therefore I do start by reiterating the significance and the great importance of always realizing the responsibility that each and every one of you carries on your shoulder as a press person, as a journalist, as a person who is even a citizen journalist, and many areas of journalism and news reporting that today are, I should say, the definition is getting blurred, and there are too many categories, but the categories are also quite not defined very properly. So that's the first thing that I would like to stress on, and I'm sure that all of you realize that whenever you are working, and whenever you are, you're writing your piece, or whenever you're interacting. So that is the first and the most important part that I need to always remind you of, that you come with a lot of responsibility on your shoulder. We have also realized as a government is that while the press and the press fraternity has been contributing immensely to our society, to the state, to the country, we realized that at some point in time, it's important to recognize this contribution that is being made. I am always a very strong believer that it's not about what you give or about the amount that you give. But I think it is important that whoever the person in whatever walk of life at some point in time expects that the person will be recognized in some way, will be appreciated for the work, the contribution that they have done. It's human nature. And in 2018, if some of you remember, this started with a thought process of actually for entrepreneurs. I started recognizing entrepreneurs. Those were the first group of people I started recognizing. And I truly felt that you need that recognition. And I'll tell you where this comes from. It comes from myself actually. And I remember as a small entrepreneur when I was very young, I was struggling and I really didn't know what to do, how to move about, so many areas of difficulty. And I sometimes just would wish that somebody would come and just give a pat on my back and say, don't worry, you're doing great. It's tough, but keep going. And I think even that small pat on the back would have motivated me so much, even through those difficult times, even if that I didn't get the money or any kind of support from the person. But I think recognition is very important. And that's why I thank, in fact, the press fraternity. You have met me so many times and you have submitted so many memorandums to me. I'm so happy that we are finally able to give some structure to the memorandums that you have been submitting. I admit I cannot do everything, but it is because of your intervention. Today we are having these programs to recognize senior journalists, people who have given their life for journalism, who have faced the challenges in difficult times with no financial support, and yet continued to do what they did because they believed in what they did, because they were passionate about what they did, and no challenge or no difficulty could bring them down. And that's really what we are trying to appreciate today by recognizing these senior journalists. And I think most of you I know, I've met so many times, and I've seen the challenges we've faced. And I always tell people that God has been kind to all of us. God has been kind to me, has given me this opportunity, given Dr. Ampreen, Mr. Vijay, the opportunity to do something that we could make a difference. And so we are here today and happy that we are able to do some small bit of contribution. I was very happy when Dr. Vijay had come and given a proposal that the welfare scheme should be increased to 35 lakhs from 5 lakhs. And with that 35 lakhs, different ways to support senior journalists, after a certain retirement age could be achieved. And with that today, almost about 10,000 rupees per month is being given to some of our retired journalists on a regular basis. And I think that is maybe a small amount, but I'm sure it is helping in many ways for them to move forward. It's the least, as I said, that we can do in that line.
Dia para lok baro da kitu ki kubor ngila poi shi kabakut jong kubor jongi ngin sa syambiang bat ki la syam tayo to play shibu.